So let's see what question number 19 says. So question number 19 says the difference between the square of two consecutive even numbers is always divisible by, and we have five options to select from. Okay, so most important part here we have to understand is we are talking about even numbers. So if I say what are the even numbers, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on, it will go till infinity. And as we have written all these numbers, these are consecutive even numbers. What we have to find is difference between square of two consecutive even numbers. So let's see what is the square of this value. So for 2 it will be 4, for 4 it will be 16, then 36, 64, 100, 144, and it will keep going on till infinity. Now the difference. So difference between 16 and 4 is 12. Difference between 36 and 16 is 20. Difference between 64 and 36, we can do minus 31st. So 34 and minus 6, it will become 28. Difference between 100 and 64 is 36. Difference between 144 and 100 is 44. So this will keep going on. But right now, this many numbers are more than enough for us to make the relation. So all these numbers we have to check are divisible by above given options. Looking at the options, I can say we cannot divide 20 by 3. So let's just eliminate option A. If we see option B, then can be divisible by 12, 20, 28, 36, and 44. So this is the one of the answer. Again, looking at 5, we can say it cannot be divisible by 12, 28, 36, or 44. So it cannot be the answer. 7 cannot be divisible by 12. So it cannot be the answer. Again, comparing option E, 8, and our, we can say 8 cannot be divisible by. So answer for this question is B. So 4 is the number which is always divisible by difference between square of two consecutive even numbers. Thank you. As we already have solved question number 19, so in question number 19, one of the most important part which we always have to pay more attention is this word always. So we wanted to find the number which is always divisible by. Now, if we see the question number 20, it looks somewhat similar to question number 19, but it has some hidden tricks in there. So question number 20 says difference between the square of two consecutive even numbers cannot be divisible by. So cannot. This is the most important part of this question. I understand the set of numbers which are difference between square of two consecutive even numbers can go up to infinity, but these five numbers are enough to find the evidence for question number 20. So if we check the options of the question number 20, these are the same options as question number 19, but option A, which is 3, it can be used to be divisible by 12, 36. So option A is not our answer because we want to find which cannot be divisible. If we see option B, which is 4, from question number 19, we already know it is divisible by all. So this cannot be our answer. For option C, we have enough evidence as well, as 20 can be divisible by 5. So this cannot be our answer as well. If we look at option D, then 28 can get divided by 7. So option D is not our answer as well. As the option E is the last option and only option remaining, and with the collective evidence, we can say option E is the only option which we can say cannot be divisible by difference between square of two consecutive even numbers. And even we can check in this set there is a no number which can get divided by 8. These two questions we can even remember as the rules of the maths. Thank you.